Cody's poor old caddy. Oh no, Cody's
rug there, bud.
Stop that.
40K? It's not even going past 60K.
Knocking motor, like
Literally.
knock goes the Cadillac.
4,000 RPMs and I wasn't even hitting the gas.
This is what happens when you run your car out of oil. Your crank bearings decide to dry up and just go wonky, and you got a bunch of knocking. So, kids, don't run your fucking car oil.
That's it, 4,000 RPM max, that's all she revs.
Oh, poor caddy. Make it a drag racer.
That's it.
That's it.
4,000 RPM.
That's it. Stick 350 in there. LS motor, that's all. LS motor. LS motor in Cadillac, because this motor is fucked. You're just trying to fucking blow it up now. Dude, do it.
It's gone. I just gotta get back home there.
Tow with fucking Colton's 300, eh?
Oh yeah, you can just smell the diesel oil burning. Just smell the diesel.
When your motor's running, just a tip to get you home. If you got some, put diesel oil in it.
Alright,
Shit
Colton,
is thicker. It won't burn as quick. See you later, Colton. Knock, 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 knock. Oh, the Rebel Empire today. Poor Cody.
I got no brakes.
Okay. What? You got no brakes.
My brakes are locked right up.
They're locked? Or you got no pedal?
Solid. Look at no brake.
You got to push really hard, you mean?
As hard as I can to even push it down a bit.
So, not only is your motor knocking, but your brake booster just failed.
Holy fuck, boys. We got to get home.
Oh, you got a truck. Fuck. Get in, stomp on it, fuck. Oh, no, fuck. Take it easy if you got no fucking brakes, dude.
Oh, we got brakes when we're moving. There's no brakes when we're sitting still.
Well, that's fucked.
No brakes when we're sitting still.
Motor's knocking. Time to park the goddamn fucking car. Told you not to take it to Dobie. Cody's doing fucking donuts in the goddamn thing. Well, anyway, Rebel fans. Thanks for checking in. Another day for